linger. To stay somewhere longer than needed, often slowly or without a reason. She lingered after the party to say goodbye. The smell of coffee lingered in the air. Bicker. To argue about small, unimportant things. The kids bickered over who got the bigger slice. They always bicker, but they still care about each other. Perch. To sit or rest on something high or narrow. The bird perched on the fence. He perched on the edge of his chair. Sly. Someone who is clever in a secretive or sneaky way. He gave me a sly smile before the prank. The sly fox outsmarted the farmer. Plunge. To fall or jump into something quickly and deeply. He plunged into the pool with a splash. The car plunged into the river. Scowl. To look angry or annoyed, with a frown. He scowled when he saw the mess. She gave a scowl but said nothing. Gloom. A feeling of sadness or darkness. A deep gloom filled the room after the news. He sat in gloom, thinking about his mistake. Meander. To walk slowly without a clear direction, just wandering. We meandered through the park for hours. The river meanders through the valley. Grudge. Holding bad feelings towards someone who hurt you. He still holds a grudge about that argument. Try not to carry grudges, it only hurts you. Bashful. Shy or not confident, especially in front of others. She gave a bashful smile when praised. The boy was too bashful to speak. Chatter. To talk quickly, often without stopping, or make light noise like teeth or birds. The kids chattered on the way to school. My teeth chattered in the cold. To call someone to come, often with a hand gesture. She beckoned me to follow her. The smell of food beckoned us inside. Dwell. To keep thinking or talking about something, usually something sad. Don't dwell on your past mistakes. He likes to dwell on old memories. Scoff. To laugh at or talk about someone in a rude way, showing you don't believe them. She scoffed at his silly idea. Don't scoff, everyone learns at their own pace.